Hi guys, Matt here. Today we're gonna actually do the Elgatokeylight. So it's gonna actually be really cool because I never had one, and I have back and forward actually wanted one because my light in this room is terrible. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and hopefully I can show you how it looks when it's done and where we're gonna talk about it, so stay tuned. Hopefully you guys gonna hear me. I think you guys gonna do that. So we're starting with open this bad boy, but I don't have a knife. Yeah, it's kind of nice though. So what is this? If you don't know what this is, it's Elgatokeylight, Elgato and Keylight, illuminated on command. So you can do this with the Stream Deck, it's Wi-Fi, full spectrum, space saving, and it's like really slick, like professional style. This one is actually mounted with a table, so you actually have a table mount for it. So I wonder how it's gonna be with one. I'm just gonna bought one, so I think it's gonna be good. So you need a knife, right? Can be good. I was actually kind of hyped about this, so we will see. I'm gonna do like a review about it also after a while. I set it up, how it works, and so on, because I'm kind of new at this. So this is mostly an unboxing of this and what you get with the Elgatokeylight. So let's open this up. So let's see. Open this bad boy. Look at this. I don't know really how much you guys see. It's not. I'm not really set up. I don't really have. I need actually USB extender. I don't have that. So that's why we have it like this, my other table, because I kind of want a yeah, you guys understand. So let's see, what do we get? Open. We don't need a knife there. Here. Open. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a bad boy. Woo! Hello, nothing in here. Nothing in here. Okay, perfect. Place you there so you guys know what it's all about. Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna try to show everything. So this is how it looks when you open it. Here, it's instructions. Okay. Next thing. Ooh, I'm hyped, man. This is gonna be interesting. So the first thing, and a box. We don't really need to put. We can take the arm there, so you guys hear me. Okay, the first box here. Lots and lots of stuff. So I don't know what that is. I never seen that. What's that? You guys see that? I don't know what that is. We get amps. Okay. It's the charger. Oh, okay. So it's the charger. So this for the charger and instruction manual. And I think this is actually for all the world's power supply stuff in the wall. So you got actually electricity. Yeah, this must be. So I'm living in Europe, in Sweden, so I have this one. Maybe it's strange for some people, but I have that. The next thing, we take that last. So what's this? Oh my god, is something in here? No, just wallpaper. And here is the mount. Okay. Interesting. Cool. You guys see, right? I think you guys see everything. So Elgato. Okay, so here you put the lamp up here. So this is the mount. Here's the table mount, so you can screw this. I think you can see that, right? I have my. I don't see myself. Damn it. So that's kind of nice, actually. Table mount instead of screws and stuff like that. It's so much better and it's more slick. So I like it. So that we're actually really gonna use. So nice. Like that there. And to the thing, right? To the thing. It should, like, if I drop this now, I'm gonna be Nothing more? Okay. So the big thing, it's paper. Whoa! Nothing in there? No. Paper. Here it is. Elgatokeylight. Oh, it's upside down. Sorry. Upside down. So actually on off. Okay. Nice. That's cool. This is not gonna be the most professional video I've done, so sorry about that. It's more like an unboxing random from Mr. MaDRock. Okay, we put there and screw. It'll be like 10 minutes later. Screwing, not screwing. Yeah, you guys understand. It's like a lock mechanism in it. It's kind of nice actually. So if you screw it, you need to screw it again in a way. That's what it feels like. So we tighten that there. So perfect. So you see a hole there. I think you guys can see that. It's a hole there for the mount. We're gonna screw the mount in and don't drop it, hopefully. Please. Is it a mount everywhere? It actually mounts, like I can mount it how I want. That's kind of cool. Okay. Don't need to be. Woo, run we go. So, so far, easy, quick, not so much parts, but it's really nice. I like this. It's really nice. So what do you get? You get a box with chargers for, I think, every supply in the wall, like European, American, I don't know, what more do we have? So you can actually, I can show you guys how it's gonna work. I can actually show you. There, you have this, you see that? There, and you have this. I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah. So how do this work? So it's actually bigger, smaller, yeah, okay. So the big one is there, I think. There, and lock. Perfect. So you have like actually opening here. So you can open it and twist, release, and put it in again. Just find the perfect holder and turn, and it's a lock on it, and voila, all done. Oh, I think it's actually I don't know, a mat, something. I think it's gonna be between the Elgato light and the stand, so we're gonna actually save that. And of course, one more thing, we get clips. You guys see that? Clips in 3 sizes. So I think it's one for each size. I think should be like that, right? I think so. It should be in some way like that. I think that can work. Real nice. And a kind of long cord also for this. So yeah. Just gonna put this in and give it 1 second. Fixed it, everything is on, everything is working. And I start first on the Windows, because you can do Windows, you can do Android or Apple, or the Windows. Windows, of course, you need a Wi-Fi connection from your computer. I don't have that, so I don't really use the computer. That kind of sucks. But that's life, right? But I have a mobile phone, and I think you all have a mobile phone. So what you do is actually put it up like this, start it, download the app from Elgato, connect the Elgato with your internet, and go into like your settings, go into your Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna see like messages from stuff, and then it's Elgatokeylight. You just press it, all done, and then you can use the app. And I don't know how you guys can see the app. Let's see here. It's gonna look like this. It's bad, I know, but I have what I have. So it's kind of nice actually. And of course you can add more stuff to this, like 2 key lights maybe, or even Stream Deck. If you have a Stream Deck, perfect. Put it in there. So that's how that works. So it can actually bump up really extremely warm. So that's kind of nice actually. So if you want it warm, cold, warm, or cold. So it's really nice. So you can choose between warm light and cold light. So it's more blue light with a cold one, and of course white between, and more yellow for the warmer light. And of course the strength for, like right now I have 0, and we're gonna bump it up extremely. But we hopefully don't gonna need to use that. It's more maybe for studios and stuff like that. So that's how that works. So some more features. So 2 seconds. So some features behind it. It looks like this with a cord and so on. Elgato mount to the table. The cord for some clips here. So it's kind of nice actually. And you can tilt it and do whatever you want really with it. So that's kind of like you wanted like studio there. Yeah, it works. Perfect. Under here you have of course your charger, like the electricity. And under here you have 1, 0, and 2. And what that do is 0 is off, of course. 1, it's on. And I think in your app, if you set it to a certain thing, it's going to save like that. So it's a preset. And 0 again, and 2, it's like, I think it's 3, it's standing something between like the 2, I think it hold it for 10 seconds. We can actually try that. Hold it for 10 seconds, and it has reset. So actually the second one, the number 2 in the back here, is the reset. So if you don't know how, and you have like tossed this guy away, it's a reset. So I'm actually going to save this. It can be good. It's actually too extremely big, but it can work, right? So it's actually reset, so you guys know about it. So yeah, I think I have everything. Sorry for the bad placement maybe with this video. I don't really have another camera except my web camera. I don't really want to do with mobile phone either because the microphone sucks on that one. And so I want to do this with my HyperX quadcast instead. So sorry if the video was a bit not so professional, but it's not the video, right? It's the content, right? So I hope you guys liked it, and I think we don't miss anything. So yeah, there we have it. Elgatokeylight. Basic, easy, a bit expensive, but I think you got a lot of value of your money. So I think it's really worth it. Especially if you have a green screen maybe, like a bad roof lights like I have. I like my stream is really dark and I kind of needed this thing here. So yeah, perfect. All I need, right? So if you are interested to buy one of these, it's gonna cost you between, I bought one for 1,880 crowns, Swedish crowns. So that dollars like $180. So I think it's around $200 up down between there, but depends on where you live maybe. So it's kind of expensive, yeah, but I think it's worth it. So yeah, totally. Maybe even gonna buy one more. You never know, right? But that was everything from me. I hope you guys liked the unboxing and showed you some stuff with the Elgatokeylight. So hopefully you buy one, maybe. You never know. So if you like this video, like it, give me a comment down below. What do you think? Do you have one of these? And what do you think about it? And of course, I stream on Twitch also, so follow me there. We have a lot of stuff with Star Citizen. We play all the games, like everything. So jump in there, join the community, and we can have some fun together. So MaDRock out. See you guys. Bye bye.